The beautiful shore of Bempton in North Yorkshire, with its breathtaking cliffs, is a perfect nesting place for different seabirds. Along the cliffs, seabirds find many locations to build their nests on. From herring gulls and gannet, which are the UK's largest mainland colony, to kittiwake and razorbills. You can also find the Atlantic puffin, a small and beautiful seabird that comes to the shore only during the breeding season, from late April to August. They can be seen along the cliffs, nesting, fishing, and taking care of their chicks. Being pelagic, they spend the rest of the year in the open ocean. Further north is the magnificent shore of Northumberland, with its beautiful castles and the Farne Islands, which are home to thousands of seabirds, including puffins. The puffins feed on sand eels, which are found in cold water. Due to global warming, the temperature of the sea is rising and the sand eels no longer can survive in the warmer water. Due to this fact, puffins are struggling to get their food of choice, and they are forced to fly further distances to look for food. During the last 25 years, the number of puffins has decreased by more than 50%. The puffins at Bempton Cliffs and the Farne Islands are amongst the next productions of Filming Nature.